Hello guys, welcome back to Kukama Wildlife College. Remember, Kukama Wildlife College is a wildlife college in the Northern Cape where you can come and study to become a field guide and be out and about in the bush during your FAGASA NQF2 course for the next 2 months. As you can see in this video, the guys are mixing concrete and the building has officially commenced. And you'll also see the first wheelbarrow of concrete that's being poured into the foundations. So the foundation is a very important part of building. You have to have a steady foundation where you can start to build on top of that with your bricks, and then lay your floors, and then from there go up. Then you'll put up your roofs. But you guys can keep in touch and can look forward for the next video. Thank you.